We're at Buc-Ees and all the Christmas stuff is out. We got cheese here. And we got Buc-Ee. Cheese and Buc-Ee. And look at Buc-Ee over there. He's waving at everybody. And look at these cute little... Oh, look how cute. It's cute. Milk and cookies. Right here. Look at that. Season's greetings. I gotta make sure I have everything for Christmas morning. Getting close to it. Look at that reindeer over there. Let's see these. Maybe something like this next year. These are kind of expensive. They're cute. Cute. I like that. Feliz Navidad. Oh, look at this. Piggy Bell. Alright, we got some little marshmallows you can add to your hot chocolate right here for $6. And you got some little Santa elf guys right here. Those are really cute. Those are cute. I think I got the snowman last year. I just like fun things for the charcuterie. Salted toffee truffles. Oh, little marshmallow Santas. Look at these nice hot sauces. The hot sauce challenge. Kind of reminds me of the challenge that we do.
This is the best.
It is?
Yes.
What is it?
Honey for coffee.
I mean, like, what, is it a flavor type of honey?
No, it's a regular honey, but
Wow. Okay, so we got some real honey right here. Real honey. Salt cedar, what is this?
all the honey. I don't put sugar in my coffee. Well, I just put the honey. This is the best.
It is the best. And that's cute. The best. Bamboo Renew.
Buc-Ees is about to open.
I know. You know what? I don't have a
so
Christmas
excited.
list.
I'm just kidding. Don't get that from me.
Yeah, but I don't know if he'll like that. He liked... Oh, shoot. Help me out here. The stand is not very well made.
It's like this.
It's just a flimsy thing there. We got this already at the house. I don't know where we got it, but it wasn't here. I like this one too, though.
We already have it.
I know, I'm just saying I like it because it's painted and you can see it better. So this is where the Kris Kringle Market is, Coleman. And then we live in Madison, so it's very close. Decatur, Huntsville, Florence, Birmingham. And then you go down here to Montgomery, Selma area, in the middle of the state. And you keep going, and you get down to the ocean, Mobile, Gulf Shores, all that. Look at this cute little thing. That's for the hot chocolate bar right there. Too cute. There's a whole Buc-Ees tree right here. Look at it. This little guy right here. We got a sweater. We got a 2025 guy here. Little thing here. So cute. Little buck here. How much is this one? So I'm out here and there was thousands of blackbirds. We were out driving through Buc-Ees and what are they doing? They're just all hanging